Hello, this is your girl pvssology and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you click that notification button so you'll know exactly when I'm uploading new content. I'm on VU today and I'm going to teach you guys how to make a retro bodysuit. So this is what it looks like. Well, this is a bodysuit to me, but a lot of people call it a romper. You can call it whatever you want. But this is what it looks like, front and back. I'm going to show you who I derived from, so let's go. So the person I decided to derive from was Obj. I love Obj's clothes, the textures. She or he stays having, the textures available. There's not one time you wouldn't be able to have textures available. Now, if you're going to use the romper with the belts, you would download these two pieces. If you didn't want the belt, which I don't want, I usually pick from here. So you're going to download both of them. The product ID number is at the bottom, as you can see here. Alright, let's get started. Let's go into Gimp. Okay, so I uploaded the two textures. This is the front and this is the back. So it's very simple. It's only two pieces. Now, what I'm going to do... Now, I normally... do the usual, which is I right click and I do the layer, but sometimes you don't even have to do that. What I'm about to do now is I'm going to color this. So I'm going to click colorize this time. Now you guys usually see me using something different, but this time I'm just going to do colorize. Filters, repeat colorize. There. So they're both the same color, front and back. Normally I would right click new layer, but this time I don't want to do that. This is going to be a quicker, faster video. So file, open as layer, and I'm going to pick an 80s texture. You can find these in Google. Just type in 80s texture, 90s textures. They'll show you textures that was used back in those era. Okay, layer, I'm going to scale the layer to about 300 over 600. Scaled. Now this is the quicker way to, you don't want to repeat the same thing. You want to do something really quick. You could just drag this texture over to the next and just plop it down. There. That's a different way of doing it. So there's two ways to do it. The usual way that I show you guys in my other videos, or you can do it this way. Now, I'm going to play with the opacity. There, 19.5 is where I want to go at. And 19.5. Layer, merge down. And layer, merge down. And now I'm going to sharpen. Filters, enhance, sharpen, so I'm really sharpening this, and I'm going to click OK. And for the back, I'm just going to do filters, repeat, sharpen, and it did the same for the back. And now I'm going to overwrite both of these. Export. File, overwrite, export. Now let's go into VU. So we're back in VU. I want to get rid of this belt. All I need to do is put black here. Black in the opacity map. And I'm going to do the same for the bottom as well. And I'm going to apply changes. Now, there's no belt. Now, for the front and for the back. Apply changes. And I just made a retro romper, aka bodysuit. I really like this. It's not bad at all. It was very quick and easy. Simple. Still has some of the colors. It's not bad. I also want to thank you guys as the subscribers, especially the new subscribers and the old subscribers, for supporting my channel. And also, I want to let you guys know on Saturdays I do a class, a 2-hour class via Zoom. If you want to learn and just want more hands-on learning and step-by-step instructions on how to do certain things, I can help you with that. It's only $10 that I'm charging for those 2 hours. So you'll learn a lot in 2 hours. And that's only a one-time fee. So it's not like every class you have to pay that. But it is, I would encourage you guys to obviously donate if you feel like donating, you know, for my time at least. But I am the cheapest out there. There's other creators that are charging, I would say, $150 for classes. Now they have hours and hours of classes, but they're not hands-on and you're not getting one-on-one attention. And they're not going to walk you through step by step. They're just having pre-recorded videos for you. Mine's is not pre-recorded. Mine's is going to be like live. So that's the difference between me and some of these other creators. So you will have me for 2 hours straight. And that will be on Saturdays. So if you would like to talk to me about that, you can definitely hit me up. And I can give you some more information on that. But thank you guys a lot for the support. And I hope you guys, you know, continue to support my videos. Please like the video, and I will see you guys next time. Have a nice day.